So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be making a coronavirus vaccine animation. Vaccine simply means a type of injection. Sorry, my voice is somehow weird because my mic had to change. But don't worry, because I am here to save the day again. So let's draw some of these guys, these bad boys. Sorry about the somehow weirdish talk. Let's do this. Whoops. Okay. This is a COVID. This is a COVID that I made. This in the preview. I'm going as you can see, I did not draw like this in the real one that I remade, that I made for practice. It is actually a little bit different, like clear, no, like very nice feeling like that, because I spent about hours, and hours of drawing these sprites. I spent hours making the injection. It's simply a doctor just shining like that. But since this is a tutorial, like I want to do this. Also, I'm now starting to, plus I'm now starting to make. Plus now I am starting to make animations in my Scratch account. Follow now. You can go to scratch.mit.edu/abcde26 to watch them. So let's maybe make this needle. Let's create this square. Don't worry guys, I am just not since I don't have money, I'm just singing the song by humming it. So this is the injection. Whoops. This is the injection. It should be right here, and it should come. Let's make it closer. Let's make it Let's make it closer. Let's make it a little bit closer. Yeah, right there. Now let's duplicate. Let's do like this. Copy, paste. Let's copy, paste, turn around, and turn this around to make like he's dead. So that's it. Let's do when green flag is clicked forever. Next costume. Then wait 0.7 seconds. But first, switch to costume 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Costumes are 5. So this is another scratch quick, I think. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you did smash the like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye for another scratch quick.